Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you navigate the sea of products and make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, with a showdown between the Roborock Qrevo and the Roborock Qrevo S. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Qrevo comes in at a whopping $899, while the Qrevo S is a bit more, shall we say, wallet-friendly at $799. So, if your bank account is already crying from all those late-night Amazon splurges, the Qrevo S might be your new best friend. Both of these bad boys come with a multifunctional dock that does everything short of making you a cup of coffee. The Qrevo and Qrevo S both have auto mop washing and hot air drying. But let's be real, who enjoys the smell of wet mops? Not me. Thankfully, both models keep things fresh. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of the self-emptying bins and large water tanks, making maintenance minimal. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. The suction power. The Qrevo boasts a solid 5,500 pascals, which is pretty impressive. But the Qrevo S, it takes the cake with a whopping 7,000 pascals. That's like comparing a gentle breeze to a Category 5 hurricane. Reviewers highlight the Qrevo S's ability to handle pet hair and heavy debris effortlessly. Both vacuums have auto mop lifting, but the Qrevo S lifts its mop a full 10 millimeters compared to the Qrevo's 7 millimeters. So, if you have carpet, the Qrevo S is basically the Michael Jordan of robot vacuums. It's got hops. Reviewers appreciate the Qrevo S's superior carpet handling. Both models feature dual spinning mops at 200 RPM, turning dried-on messes into distant memories. With 30 water flow levels, you can customize your cleaning experience. Think of it as the Starbucks of robot vacuums. You can have it your way, but without the confusing coffee lingo. Users on Amazon rave about the effectiveness of both models in tackling sticky messes. When it comes to avoiding obstacles, both vacuums use reactive tech and PresaSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping. They're basically the ninjas of the cleaning world, sneaking around your home with precision and grace. Reviewers mention that both models rarely get stuck and navigate complex spaces well. Here's where the Qrevo S pulls ahead again. Upgraded app control. This thing has AI algorithms that make it smarter than your average teenager. With features like temporary cleaning, skipping, customized carpet strategies, and multi-level mapping, it's like having a personal cleaning assistant who actually listens to you. However, some users have reported connectivity issues with the app, so that's something to keep in mind. Overall, both the Roborock Qrevo and Qrevo S receive high praise from users. The Qrevo is lauded for its solid performance and reliability, while the Qrevo S impresses with its superior suction power and advanced features. Some users have faced minor issues with app connectivity on the Qrevo S, but the overall sentiment remains positive for both models. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Qrevo and the Roborock Qrevo S both bring a lot to the table, but if you want maximum suction power and next-level app control, the Qrevo S is the way to go. If you're looking to save a few bucks and still get a fantastic clean, the Qrevo won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Shop smart and stay savvy.